So today is the big day, the final day for the Spider. It is getting its inspection test, its MOT test, the annual test that you do to check a car is roadworthy. That's the final hurdle once you've registered a car in Sweden to being able to tax it and being able to sort of use it in traffic, as they say. So that is what I'm going to do today. I thought I'd do some solo.lap point of view camera footage in 4K with the little DJI Osmo action cam of the car driving to and from various places. Some people might enjoy it, might pick up why I love this car so much, or you might just think it's boring as shit. But there you go, it's part of the video. So we are now at the test centre and the test is getting underway. I've spotted a few interesting things around the car park, so let's go and have a look. This is a really tidy looking R8. It's a V8 version and it's a manual as well, which is pretty rare. The tester told me while he was looking around the Spider that it's actually his colleague's car, which is pretty cool. It's nice as well in black with the carbon blades. It really kind of suits very well. Not something you see every day, some kind of sort of hot rod style bike. I apologise, I know nothing about bikes whatsoever, but it's pretty cool to see. It looks like a sort of custom home built job. Now the first bit of the test is done, so the tester is now taking the car into the centre and going to stick it up on the ramps. So I will not be able to record the rest of this because they will probably shut the door on me if I try and do that, so fingers crossed.
5 minutes later.
Right, so the inspection is done now on the Spider and it passed. So that is it, the end of a long, fun journey importing the Spider to Sweden. So it's now legal to use on the road here, all done and dusted. I am so happy. There was no comments or anything on the test, so everything I've done is, you know, up to scratch basically. So fantastic. It's now time to go for a celebratory coffee, or as we say here in Sweden, most important word in the language, Fika time. So let's go and do that.
You should try the Swedish Fika. Have some coffee up in your coffee cup. Everybody have a Swedish Fika. Replace your gun with a cinnamon bun. Everybody have a Swedish Fika. Stop building walls, eat chocolate balls. Come and join our Swedish Fika. Now my submarines have a massarine.
So that was Fika time done. If you are watching this in Sweden, you'll have seen all the pastries and all the coffee, and no doubt enjoyed all the conversation. For everyone outside of Sweden, hopefully you enjoyed the Swedish artists informing you about what Fika is. So it's now time to get in the car and head back home, and yeah, all done and dusted. back now after my Fika, fantastic, with my girlfriend's mum. I went for a little drive as well, and that was fun to do. The engine lid is off, you can see it there. It's sat there on the wall. I made a little mount for it, which I think is a handy thing to do when you're working on the car. And that's it. So I just need to tax it now, and it is a fully fledged member of the Swedish highway.